Go to extensions, add-ons, get add-ons, search for case, well, change case, pick this one, and then just click install, continue, choose your account, continue, yes, now just wait, like a few weeks. Okay, you're done. So now all you have to do is just select your text. We'll just go with this column, I guess. Go to extensions, change case, title case. Click on that, and now all you have to do is just wait. And it will get automatically updated. It's just great. Only problem is it updates one at a time, so it takes a lot of time. But I mean, it's better than doing it manually, I guess. So yeah, that's how you do it. As of now, maybe at some point they'll actually implement it in spreadsheet, and you won't have to use an extension, but hasn't happened yet, so I don't know.